Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change WSD setting on your CANON PIXMA. So first, let's go over to the settings. Here we need to click device settings and then LAN settings. Go to wireless direct and click settings, then advanced. And here we have the WSD settings. Here we can enable or disable the WSD. We can optimize the inbound and we can scan the WSD from this device and also set up a timeout setting. So here we can do a lot of things. As you guys can see here, we can easily disable it or enable it. Now the optimize inbound and the scan from this device also as a timeout setting, so from 20 to 1 minute. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.